What if the secret to living a century wasn't about expensive treatments or magical pills? Imagine uncovering the real stories behind people who've mastered the art of aging gracefully. From mountain villages to coastal towns, their wisdom will change how you think about life forever. Are you ready to discover the truth about longevity? Stay tuned and subscribe to unlock the full story of these extraordinary centenarians. In the heart of Sardinia's rugged interior, where ancient stone houses cling to sun-drenched hillsides, lies a cluster of villages unlike any other on Earth. These settlements aren't remarkable for their architecture or history books, but rather for their inhabitants, ordinary men and women who've achieved the extraordinary feat of surpassing a century. Their wrinkled faces tell countless stories, their hands bear witness to decades of labor, yet their eyes sparkle with youthful vitality. What makes this place special extends beyond mere geography. It's woven into the fabric of daily existence, reflected in everything from morning routines to evening conversations. The journey to understanding longevity begins with Maria Antonietta, born in 1918 during the final throes of World War I. Her childhood unfolded amidst scarcity, teaching her resourcefulness that would serve throughout her long life. Like many centenarians here, she never followed trendy diets or fitness regimens. Instead, her days naturally revolved around physical activity, walking miles to fetch water, tending gardens carved into rocky terrain, and preparing meals from scratch. This constant movement wasn't exercise as modern society understands it, but rather an integral part of living that kept bodies strong without conscious effort. Food plays a starring role in this longevity narrative, though not in ways one might expect. The local diet emphasizes simplicity and seasonality, focusing on what nature provides at different times of year. Chickpeas, fava beans, and barley feature prominently, alongside wild greens gathered from surrounding hills. Olive oil flows generously, drizzled over everything from bread to vegetable stews. Meat appears sparingly, reserved for special occasions, while fish from nearby waters supplements protein needs. Wine, always homemade, accompanies meals in moderation, its antioxidants contributing to cardiovascular health. These dietary patterns evolved organically over generations, shaped by necessity rather than nutritional science. Social connections form another crucial pillar supporting these remarkable lifespans. Family structures remain tight-knit, with multiple generations often sharing homes or living within close proximity. Elderly members aren't relegated to nursing facilities but continue participating actively in community life. They pass down knowledge through storytelling sessions, share wisdom gained from experience, and maintain roles that give purpose well into advanced age. Regular social interaction keeps minds sharp, emotions balanced, and spirits uplifted, creating a powerful buffer against loneliness and depression that can accelerate aging elsewhere. While modern medicine offers incredible advancements, these centenarians relied primarily on natural remedies passed down through oral tradition. Herbal infusions treat common ailments, while preventative measures focus on maintaining balance between body and environment. Sleep patterns follow natural rhythms, rising with dawn and retiring early, allowing bodies adequate rest for repair and rejuvenation. Stress management happens almost unconsciously through deep connection with nature, working outdoors, appreciating changing seasons, and respecting Earth cycles. This holistic approach addresses health from multiple angles simultaneously, creating resilience that helps weather both minor illnesses and major challenges. Beyond Sardinia's borders, similar pockets of exceptional longevity emerge worldwide, each with unique characteristics yet sharing fundamental principles. In Okinawa, Japan, centenarians practice hara hachi-biyu, eating until only 80% full, which maintains healthy weight and prevents overconsumption-related diseases. Their plant-based diet rich in sweet potatoes, soy products, and seaweed provides essential nutrients while limiting calorie intake. Regular Tai Chi sessions promote flexibility and core strength, complementing physically active lifestyles centered around fishing and farming traditions. Okinawan culture places great emphasis on ikigai, one's reason for being, which gives everyday purpose regardless of age. This concept manifests differently for each person, whether caring for grandchildren, maintaining ancestral shrines, or pursuing artistic interests developed late in life. Having clear motivation keeps minds engaged and bodies moving, preventing the mental stagnation that often accompanies retirement elsewhere. Community support systems ensure no one feels abandoned or irrelevant, fostering belonging that contributes significantly to psychological well-being. Moving westward to Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica reveals another variation on longevity themes. Here, residents attribute their vitality partly to agua dulce, pure water filtered naturally through volcanic rock formations. Mineral-rich soil produces nutrient-dense crops like corn, beans, and squash, forming the base of traditional meals. Unlike processed foods prevalent in industrialized nations, these staples retain maximum nutritional value thanks to minimal processing techniques handed down through generations. Physical labor remains central to daily existence, whether cultivating fields or managing livestock, keeping bodies conditioned without formal exercise programs. Nicoyan elders emphasize the importance of plan de vida, life plan, echoing Okinawa's Ikigai concept. However, they express it through strong family bonds and spiritual faith deeply rooted in Catholic traditions brought by Spanish colonizers centuries ago. Regular attendance at church services provides both social outlet and emotional support network, reinforcing values of compassion, forgiveness, and acceptance that help navigate life's inevitable challenges. These psychological tools prove just as vital as physical habits when considering overall longevity factors. Loma Linda, California presents an intriguing contrast among longevity hotspots, being home to a significant population of Seventh-day Adventists practicing vegetarian lifestyles. Their dietary choices align closely with contemporary scientific recommendations for optimal health, featuring whole grains, legumes, nuts, and abundant fresh produce. Regular physical activity combines organized sports with outdoor recreation opportunities afforded by Southern California's mild climate. Yet perhaps most notably, this community demonstrates how religious faith can structure entire lives around health-promoting behaviors while providing robust social frameworks sustaining members across lifespan stages. Common threads weaving through these diverse longevity narratives reveal universal truths about human potential for extended healthy living. While specific practices vary according to local conditions and cultural heritage, underlying principles remain consistent worldwide. Physical activity integrated naturally into daily routines proves more sustainable than regimented exercise schedules often abandoned due to time constraints or lack of motivation. Whole foods prepared simply preserve maximum nutritional benefits while avoiding processed ingredients linked to various chronic diseases plaguing modern societies. Strong social connections maintained throughout life offer protective effects against mental decline and emotional distress, far surpassing pharmaceutical interventions' capabilities alone. Psychological aspects deserve particular attention when examining Centenarians' success stories. Maintaining curiosity about world developments, embracing lifelong learning opportunities, and staying mentally engaged through puzzles or creative pursuits keep brains functioning optimally despite advancing years. Resilience cultivated through overcoming past hardships equips individuals to handle current challenges more effectively, reducing stress's detrimental impact on physical health. Positive outlooks characterized by gratitude for present blessings rather than dwelling on lost youth contribute significantly to overall well-being observed among these remarkable seniors. Modern attempts to replicate longevity zone's success sometimes miss crucial elements inherent to original contexts. Simply adopting Mediterranean diet components or practicing yoga doesn't guarantee similar outcomes unless accompanied by deeper lifestyle transformations. True longevity requires commitment to holistic approaches addressing multiple facets of existence simultaneously. Physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual dimensions must work in harmony to achieve optimal results. Technology's role should enhance rather than replace genuine human connections, providing tools for maintaining relationships across distances without substituting virtual interactions for face-to-face engagement. As global populations age rapidly, lessons learned from centenarian communities become increasingly relevant for shaping future healthcare policies and urban planning initiatives. Creating environments supportive of active aging involves designing walkable neighborhoods, promoting intergenerational housing solutions, and ensuring access to fresh produce regardless of socioeconomic status. Workplace reforms accommodating older employees' needs while valuing their accumulated expertise could help extend productive years meaningfully. Education systems incorporating longevity wisdom into curricula prepare younger generations to make informed choices benefiting themselves and society at large. The journey toward understanding secrets behind extraordinary lifespans ultimately leads back to fundamental human experiences shared across cultures and continents. Love, laughter, purposeful work, meaningful relationships, and deep appreciation for simple pleasures emerge consistently as key ingredients in longevity recipes perfected over decades. By embracing these timeless principles adapted to contemporary circumstances, anyone can improve chances of enjoying not just longer lives, but richer ones filled with joy, fulfillment, and continued growth. Remember to subscribe for more fascinating insights into human potential and remarkable stories from around the world.